The Honest Turtle and the Tricky Fox. In a quiet forest, there lived a kind and honest turtle named Toby. He always told the truth no matter what. Toby was loved by all the animals because they knew they could trust him. But deep in the forest lived Freddy, the fox. Freddy loved playing tricks and telling lies to get what he wanted. One day, Freddy snuck into Mr. Rabbit's garden and took all the biggest carrots. When Mr. Rabbit found his carrots missing, he was very upset. "Who could have done this?" he asked. Freddy pretended to be innocent. "I don't know who took your carrots," he lied. Toby heard everything. He knew lying was wrong. But what could he do? Toby decided to tell the truth. "Mr. Rabbit," he said, "I saw Freddy take your carrots." Mr. Rabbit was thankful. "Thank you for being honest, Toby. You always tell the truth." Freddy heard Toby's words and felt nervous. What if everyone found out? Soon, all the forest animals heard the truth and were disappointed in Freddy. Freddy decided to tell another lie. "I was just borrowing the carrots," he said. But the animals didn't believe him. "A lie never lasts long," Toby said gently. Just then, a gust of wind blew over the leaves, revealing Freddy's stolen carrots. Freddy's face turned red. His lie didn't last long. The truth always comes out. Mr. Rabbit took his carrots back and shook his head sadly at Freddy. Toby walked over to Freddy. "It's not too late to change," he said kindly. Freddy sighed. "I'm sorry," he said. "I'll stop lying and try to be honest like you." The animals forgave Freddy because everyone makes mistakes, but truth lasts forever. From that day on, Freddy tried his best to be honest. He even returned things he had taken. Toby and Freddy became friends. Freddy learned that telling the truth felt much better than lying. The forest became a happier place because everyone knew they could trust one another. Toby remembered the wisdom of Proverbs 12:19. Truthful lips endure forever, but a lying tongue lasts only a moment. Freddy even helped Mr. Rabbit grow new carrots because doing the right thing felt good. From that day, Freddy and all the animals learned truth always lasts forever. Bye-bye.